Hey there, homesteaders. How's it going? I'm out here this morning working on this leaky hose that I noticed a drip from coming from one of my water tanks. And so I'm out here repairing that. I'm going to tighten this fitting, see if I can get it to stop. And I got to thinking about water and catching rain. And I thought, if I was interested in catching rain but hadn't ever done it, there might be a couple things that I'd like to know. The first thing was, how much water can I actually catch with whatever roof I've got? And the second question would be, in any given storm that happens, like say the one that happened last night, how much water would I have gotten with all that rain that we got? Now, I know there's all kinds of online calculators out there. Some of them work really well, and I'll even provide a link in the description so you can use one. But in true off-grid fashion, I think this is something you need to be able to calculate yourself, even if there's no internet. So let me show you how it's calculated. The first thing you need to understand is this basic principle that for every inch of rain on every square foot of surface, you're going to get more than half a gallon of water. And that produces a particularly important magic number, that 0.623 gallons. That's what you get for every square foot of your catchment surface. And now that you know the magic number, it's time to figure out your roof square footage. And for those of you that don't know, you just multiply the width times the length of your actual roof surface, and that's how you get your square footage. You might want to note that the topography of your roof or the shape of your roof doesn't really matter. It's just about the overall area as viewed from directly above. And once you know your roof square footage, you can multiply it times that 0.623 magic number, and you'll get just how many gallons an inch of rain will produce on your roof. So if I use my own roof as an example, you can see that my roof is 25.5 by 29.3, and that gives me 747 square feet. And if I plug that square footage into my capturing potential equation, I get 466 gallons for every inch of rain. And now that you know your roof's rain harvesting potential, how do you calculate just how much water you would receive in any given storm? For this example, you can see that my rain meter is reading 0.16. It's nice to have something that's that accurate, down to the 100th of an inch out here in the desert, because we hardly get any rain at all, and when we do, it's these decimal amounts. But in this case, even that 0.16 would produce quite a bit of water. And when combined with our rationing techniques, 74 gallons would probably last us a full 2 weeks. Not bad. Your square footage will be different, so your rain catching amount will be different. And you can see that the bigger your roof is, the more you catch. Did you know that the average storm cloud has millions, sometimes trillions of gallons just flying quietly over your head? Wouldn't it be great to catch some of that? I sure hope you do. Happy homesteading. See you in the next video.